Hey there guys, Scott Schultz here with PassMasters. Welcome to edition 4 of PassMasters Secrets to Passing Your Real Estate Licensing Exam on your first attempt. Now in this video what we're going to be doing is dissecting the dreaded except question. And that's a question where you have a statement, all of the following are true, except, or all of the following are false, except. Students generally have a difficult time with this question. However, I'm going to teach you how to utilize it to make it your best friend and potentially make it your trick to passing your exam, because it's going to give you information depending on the wording of the question. So we're going to go ahead and look at a sample except question and kind of dissect it and go through it here so that you have a better understanding of how to approach these type of questions. And the question is, drum roll please, all of the following are true regarding owning property as tenants in common except. Here's what messes you up on this question. We saw an indicator of the word true. All of the following are true. So our brain immediately starts thinking about, all right, we're looking for something that's true as the correct answer. And generally when you see a question on an exam, a statement that's true is the correct answer, right? So these are really worded. They're designed to trip you up, to make you mess up and help assist those test companies in getting as much money as possible, right? Because they want you to fail, they want you to have to come back and pay another test fee. So when we put an except on the end, we're not looking for what's true, we're looking for what's false. All right, so we need to understand that before we take a look at the answers. We need to understand we're looking for a false statement. That's our correct answer. Okay, so let's take a look at the first response. Ownership interests must be equal. Is that true or false? What are we talking about? We're talking about, the question is talking about tenants in common. Ownership interests must be equal. Is that true? No, that's false. Why? Could it be equal? Yes, but this response says it must be equal. And that's the case of joint tenants, not tenants in common, right? So this is a false statement. Is this the correct answer? Yes. Easy as that sometimes if the false statement is the first response. So this is the way you're going to want to approach these. Number one, determine are they looking for a true or false answer is the correct answer. Go through each answer and think, is it true or false? If it's true, you knock it out. We're looking for the false one in this particular example. The next answer, there are no rights of survivorship, is true. So this is really important though, because when you have all are true except, you're going to have three statements, basically key facts that are true, that might help you with this particular concept, tenants in common, if you were struggling with it. If you know the false one, you're going to get three key facts about this that might help you jog your memory and help you answer another question on the exam correct. So we know these other three are true. There are no rights of survivorship. That's true. That was joint tenants had rights of survivorship. Each tenant in common has an undivided interest in the property. True. They all share an undivided interest. The interest of a deceased tenant in common passes to their beneficiary. True. It doesn't go to the remaining tenants in common. That was joint tenants, where if the joint tenant died, right of survivorship goes to the surviving joint tenants. So these are really difficult, but remember, if you want to, you go back, watch this video again till you get it down. You're not going to have a ton of these on your exam. I'll tell you that right now. You'll have a handful, but if you really get them down, they're going to be very, very helpful to getting you to that passing score so that you can get your license. Thanks for checking this video out. Check the rest out. I'll see you there.